In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Drive with your Slack workspace. This integration will make it much easier to share and collaborate on files directly within Slack, streamlining your workflow and enhancing team collaboration. So let's dive right into the process. First, let's navigate to the Slack app directory. You'll start by opening your Slack desktop app. Over to the left in the sidebar, you should see an option labeled Plus Add Apps, or sometimes simply More. Clicking here will present you with another option called Apps. Go ahead and click on that, which will then open up the app directory. Now that you're in the Slack app directory, let's find the Google Drive app. In the search bar, type in Google Drive, and you'll see the app pop up in the results. Awesome, right? Click on the Google Drive app to select it. Once that's done, you'll encounter an option that says Add to Slack. Click on this to proceed. Moving forward, you'll need to grant permissions for the Google Drive app to properly integrate with Slack. There will be a button that says Add Google Drive App. Click on that. This is where you give Slack permission to access your Google Drive within the workspace. It's essential to allow these permissions so that the app can function correctly, so go ahead and hit Allow when prompted. With permissions granted, the next step is to authenticate your Google account. There will be a prompt that says Authenticate your Google Drive account. Click on this and it'll lead you to a sign-in page. Here, you'll need to enter the credentials for the Google account that you wish to connect with Slack. Make sure you select the right account that houses the files you anticipate sharing most often. Once you've signed in successfully, click Allow to give Slack access to your Google Drive files. After completing these steps, congratulations, your integration is now complete. You can now start sharing and collaborating on Google Drive files without ever leaving your Slack workspace. This integrated setup will not only save you time, but will also greatly enhance your team's productivity by keeping everything you need in one centralized location. Plus, your team members can comment, react, and even edit documents right within the Slack app, which is pretty fantastic for maintaining an efficient workflow. And there you have it. With Google Drive successfully integrated into Slack, you're all set to take your file sharing capabilities to the next level. Thanks for following along, and I hope this integration proves helpful in your day-to-day collaborations. Remember to keep checking out more of our tutorials to make the most of your digital workspace. Until next time, happy collaborating.